Hi guys, my name's Chris Appleton and I'm a celebrity hairstylist. Now I'm here today with Colour Wow Hair and I'm really excited to show you one of my favourite looks at the minute, the Wispy Wave look. The Wispy Wave curl is a really kind of cool, undone look. The ends are super light and natural, and believe it or not, it's all about working with a natural texture. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is try and enhance the natural texture of the hair. A lot of people have natural texture in the hair and they don't really realize they have it, or they have curly and wavy hair and really just struggle to know how to maintain it and how to get the best results from it. So I'm gonna show you one of my secret weapons, the Colour Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. Now, what's amazing about this product is most people with wavy or curly hair tend to use at least 3 or 4 products. They'll use a mousse and a gel and a serum and an oil. This is everything combined. It's super, super light. It will lock in the curls and give you those dream curls that you've always wanted. Now, we're gonna saturate the hair in the dream curl simply because we need to make sure each strand of hair gets the same treatment. So, it's as light as water. We're gonna mist it through from roots all the way down to the mid-lengths and ends. Just pushing that in as we go along. Great on fine hair, great on medium hair, and great on thick hair as well. And like I say, this is the only product you're gonna need for your new bouncy curls. So we're really applying the product throughout the roots, mid-lengths and ends. I'm just taking rough sections, but I am making sure that I saturate the hair in the product. So as we're applying the product, I'm just pushing the texture into the hair and encouraging the natural movement to come out. After the product, I'd say drying it is the second most important part. There's 2 ways I'd recommend. One is air dry. If you haven't got time for that, I would say get your diffuser out. Now, a lot of people have these and they don't really know what it's for, or never end up using it. So take away your nozzle, get out your diffuser, attach it, and we're gonna start scrunching the hair. Now, what's great about a diffuser for curly hair is the way it dries the hair. So the diffusion of the air is less intense, therefore it doesn't make the hair frizz and blow all over the place. It's more controlled. We're gonna use the hairdryer on a high heat and a high blow. This undone texture is really hard to actually do if you use a curling iron because you start to get a really uniform pattern. Okay guys, so I think we'll wear this in the middle part in, just shaking the look out. You can see the curls are dry beautifully. Dream Coat for curly hair really does exactly what it says it's going to do on the bottle. It gives you dream curls, really soft. I can put my fingers through this, it's light, the hair moves, it's not heavy, but you get a really nice defined cute curl. And I love this natural texture you've got, it's so cute.